I'm on the top floor of Vincom Center, the CGV cinema here, and then there's Hai Di Lao restaurant. Lots of diners just waiting for their dinner. Now it's today's Sunday weekend, so let's check it out. So this is the main waiting area. Then there's a new service for the customers. Free drinks and Stevies, and that's the main entrance. And then after that, there's a Korean tteokbokki buffet, the Duki. There's a Kimi BQ restaurant as well. Moving now to the lower level, there's a nice women's clothes called Stradivarius. A nice New Balance shop. HLA concept shop that sells some men's, women's, and the children's clothes. H&M. Pull&Bear is actually quite big. Look at the size. Going down to the lower level, Zara. There's a Sony as well. Some watches, watch gallery. Furla bags, Swarovski, Pandora. And next we have the Karl Lagerfeld. A nice view of Vincom Center. It's actually one of the top malls in Saigon because of its setup. Everything, so many shops here, and there's more dining options at the base level. I'll go to that later, so stay tuned. Now it's the level 1 perfume world on the left side. SC Dollar Cosmetic, and there's a Dior here. Next there's a Shiseido Ginza Tokyo. This will be the more of cosmetic. This NARS makeup, MAC lipstick, Zara, and that's the main entrance. Next with the Bath and Body Works. Actually tried out their perfume soaps, and you can try the perfume. They give you like the testers. Up to 65% off. Let's see what other shops they have now. At least level 1. It's an eccentric signature. Paris, France Beauty. There's Saint Laurent, Garnish, and Massimo Dutti. Alright, after level 1, we go now to the basement. I believe there are much more interesting shops. Right, the even foreigners, they come here to shop because this is the downtown of Saigon, so many hotels in District 1. Alright, right in front I see Charles & Keith, handbags, bags, leather stuff. There's a mango shop. There's a Carin's, Innisfree, Adidas, and there's a Nike also. Oh, just look at the handbags. It's under LYN, the shop. A spectacle shop called Mark Viet, and then the GAP clothing store. Next we have the Crocs international brand. In many countries they have it. Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand. The Old Navy and the Levi's at the corner. Wow, there's an end of season sale for the Old Navy. And then look at the Levi's. The crowd here. Half-wheels. There's a currency exchange here as well. Next to the currency, the rate. Some kind of testing events there, and right here they call it the new playground. pop shop. It's a P&J event here. Lots of fashion clothes here. This is for the men. Many kind of streetwear. Call it dirty coins. Dirty shop. This shop is special. It's called Dickies. Wow, this level is really huge. You can see the reason why some people like to come here, including the locals as well. Let's explore this site. Oh, look at that. The LYN shop has so many kind of handbags, new collection, sandals. The Echo shoes. Next to the Pedro, it seems like it's like competitors are side by side selling the same, almost similar type stuff. Birkenstock, more shoes here. Urban Revival, Skechers. The Body Shop, MLB, and then Cotton On. We are getting closer to the basement now. There's a Vincom, Lush. Then we have the Charles and Keith. Many crowds are going up. I'm going to go to the left side and take the escalator down. Havana's sandal and slippers, very colorful, followed by a Skechers. Going down to basement 2. Let's see what we have down. There's a shop, Lock and Lock. It's very famous in Vietnam. They sell a lot of household electronics stuff. Let's have a look. I'm inside Lock and Lock now. They have the rice cooker and other stuff. Oh, it's actually quite big. This shop is very big. Next we have a Watson. In many countries they have the Watson, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, and even China. Here is our Masomo Kiyoshi. The mini goods shop. Another shop called K Closet. Some of the children dresses. And there's a big shop called Awesome. This photo time you can actually take the selfies with some of the uniforms or costume they provide right at the corner. You see a person trying. And there's a boot store called the Hong Nam. It's actually quite common. I mean, it's a favorite among locals. This must be the most attractive shop in the whole of Vincom, Dong Khoi, because of so many colorful, bright stuff, toys, catchers, lights, and more of them. So adorable and cute. Plush toys. Someone is actually trying to catch the toys. Yeah, this realistic army tank right here. The Awesome shop also sells a lot of snacks. Let's have a look what the shop they have now at one of the most popular Vincom, Ning. And there's a Puma shop as well. You see me. Valentino Creations. Oh, look at the suitcase. It's like very attractive. The Samsonite suitcase with the open concept. Some of the bathing shops, Amara Home and Living, Namat. Not forgetting a Starbucks right here. Beverly Hills Polo Club. I think mostly for men. Polo shirts. With the Lock and Lock. Alright, going to the final basement. Now is basement 3. I see a Highlands Coffee. Lots of people there. Just like a few empty seats left. Highlands Coffee not only sell coffee, they have the banh mi and the coffee, and the other snacks. Basta Hiro. Sushi Hokkaido Sachi. Kohaku. udon and ramen. King BBQ, Korean restaurant. Another Vietnamese Gong Cafe, Gong Cafe. Towards the juice, we sell like the cakes, bakery items, pastries. Other restaurant now. Check out the Mario chocolates. Jin Jindu restaurants. I believe they had the xiaolong bao. It's a QCK Japanese restaurant. Nice tiny environment. Then we have the yakiniku, BBQ. Sunfulo and Kichi Kichi, which is a buffet style. There's a sushi restaurant called I Sushi at the corner. Da Hu. It's a hot pot similar to Hai Di Lao, but it's from I think from China. And there's another shop called Di Mai, Vietnamese restaurant right here. Mang Hoa Taiwanese hot pot. Odeju is next on the list. It's Japanese food here. Man Hoa Taiwanese hot pot on the right side. So many restaurants. All you need is just some cash, and depending on your needs, you can choose a restaurant that has bright lights or dimmer lights for privacy. We are approaching the Wet and Roll now. It's a Vietnamese restaurant food, Vietnamese food. On the right side, the Gogi House, Korean restaurant. There's the Boost Smoothie Juices. At the corner, we have the meat and meat. There's a long queue for meat and meat right now. BBQ concept. Hachibara Ramen, Japanese ramen. Long Wang, seafood restaurant. Do you guys think it's like attractive? Beer Papa is a very popular brand here. There's a cream puffs. So let's check out any restaurant I miss out. The bread top. There's a Som Thai restaurant at the corner. Right here. About 10 customers queuing. Authentic Thai cuisine. It's a comfortable dining experience with those not so bright lights. Look at it. A few couples of restaurants more. This is a Kem Tam Mok Vietnamese restaurant. And a Chang Ngang Kong in front, which is also a steamboat concept. Like the Long Wang, look at the steaming coming out. So at the last corner here, we have the Chili Thai, Bangkok Eatery and China Seafood. These are the Thai food. And there are some live animals at the corner. So at the last corner here, we have the Chili Thai, Bangkok Eatery and China Seafood. These are the Thai food. And there are some live animals at the corner.